Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today I'm going to show you a full tutorial on how to create your own AI influencer from the character to the voice to the content. So before we begin, an AI influencer is basically a digital character created with AI tools who can make videos, speak, take photos, and also post content. So you can start by creating the influencer's look. You can use tools like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or here I'm going to use HeyGen. So you can just sign up, and after that you can just click on avatars in here and create your own by clicking on create new. You can start from a video or start from a photo. For example, just start with a photo and can go with design with AI. You can here click on new avatar. Now you can set the name first. So for example, I'm going to just go with Jane. The age is young adult and the gender women. Let's just go with unspecified, and in here you can describe your avatar. For example, I'm going to just go with this: a young, stylish female AI influencer with natural lighting and aesthetic fashion. I'm going to just go with portrait, and the pose is upper body style. Let's just go with unspecified, and now you can just hit on generate preview. So you can preview your AI influencer first before use them. As you guys can see in here, the HeyGen will give you several options. You can just pick your favorite. For example, I'm going to just go with this one. And now you can just tap on save. You can also choose more than one if you want to. Just use this one, click on save. And to avoid your AI influencer looking different in every picture, you can use the character consistency tools like the Relance AI Instant ID or Midjourney character reference. Okay, so now the avatar has been created, the AI influencer. You can choose a voice or add a voice if you want to use your own. I'm going to just choose a voice from me. Okay, so this is the look, and I'm going to, let's say, make the character talk. So you can just add your script in here, or choose what you want to do with this avatar, and after that you can just click on generate again. And after you get the character, voice, and videos, you can create a post for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, or Shorts. And that's it. That's how you can create an AI influencer from scratch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.